TJ, don't you think you should be doing your work right now?
I should be, but I also should have went to class.
What happened to that?
I slept.
Oh. This is how you're making up for it, huh? Can't believe you. Oh,
This is
Trilla.
extra credit.
Oh. For what class?
Computer programming.
Interesting.
Even though I'm a education major.